Barod, which means ready. Barod, Barod.
This week's phrase is
Pwy sy'n barod,
which means
who is ready.
pwy sy'n barod?
Barod. This week's phrase is Eisteddwch, which means sit down, please. Sefwch and dawel, which means stand quietly.
This week's phrase is
Pwy sy'n cael, cinio.
Which means who is having dinner.
pwy sy'n cael brechdanau,
Which means who is having sandwiches.
Pwy sy'n cael cinio?
pwy sy'n cael brechdanau,